you swallow the... What an experiment. Are you chasing the chalk? The impressions?
Like this. You know, we go down to the club and want to put a bunch of beer bottles. That would be funny as shit. A bunch of beer bottles. Kind of like it. Put it into the internet. Yeah, good time.
Maybe some Playboy magazine.
That'd be funny as
If there were a bunch of gay people here, this would be fun.
you start position more and situation wise.
Ass up, face down.
That's how some women get pregnant. Some blonde.
I'll stand here like he's something like something special, like we're going to do experiments. Shit, we're just like love